For this video, we're gonna play Who's the Spy Nova. A type of flower. There's still another spy around. Highbreaker round. What can I play here? Liam, bakit andito ako? Asaw. Yan paano? Paano?
Pipino ka lang sa number. 1, 2, ganun.
Liam, want to know something? Pregnant daw si Mommy Pay.
Yeah.
God,
I have a brother.
so you're telling me we got Mommy Pig became pregnant before GTA 6? Bakit sinabi ni
Daddy Pig does not have.
Yep. Pero bakit naman sa bag?
Wala, nasa 50 na ako.
Nalilito ako.
Sabit ko na ito.
Bakit sinabi ni Georgie is gonna start his villain arc?
Hindi ko alam.
That's innocent.
Let's go.
Level 15 na ako. You already leave.
Magtitingnan na ako. Ay, pwede ka bumili ng tables, chairs, ganun. Meron pang suite dito, tas wheelchair. Ay, tas meron pang chat. Text color sa chat. Background color font style. Yung font style lang siya.
I'm gonna try to reach to go to 100. What?
Huli na. Huli na. Vote nila. Player 3.
Spy 1. Oh, ano may pang dalawa tayong spy?
Wow, we gonna have fun. Mag-start na tayo ng game. Malapit na.
Okay, game starts soon.
8, 7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm fast.
Okay.
Spy with word.
Oh, let's spy.
Okay, sige, wordless spy. Wait, I already choose spy with word. Spy with word.
Tignan natin kung ano yung vote.
Sino?
Oh,
Yeah,
ano?
one at a time. Wait, no, all at a time. Your word is sugar sa'yo.
Salt. Eat.
Why? Ito yun. Paano yung mag-vote? Paano?
Mag-start na yung vote. Paano mag-vote?
sa choose for food.
Masanaya.
Oy, she copied my answer. Secret word is block. Oy, kinopya ni Sik yung sa akin.
As in lang yun, si...
Vote mo si Sik. Vote mo si Sik.
Si Player 6 yung ano vote ko.
Bakit mo vote si Player 6? Vote mo si number 5. Si number 4 kasi sinabi niya yung makilala yung sagot ko.
Okay.
Ano?
Sinabi mo isa ko na.
White. Sinabi yung sagot niya 2 beses. Visa Damakal. Ano yung Visa Damakal?
Okay.
Sik, broke up
Okay.
na yan.
I will copy. Hassle.
Ay, paano mo alam yung sinasabi ko hassle eh?
Oh, Marco! Since ikaw yung isang spy, yung isa sa nila spy din, di ba? Hindi ako yung spy, ako yung solve. Eh di sila sa inyo eh.
But the mission of the
Marco!
spy to vote.
Ikaw natin si Bailin, ay si Bilin. Si Player 2. Ang dami natin nabot sa kanya. Di tatlo tayo.
Spy pala. Ayan. Okay. What's bear one of the two?
Vote ko dyan eh. Yun, nag-vote sa akin.
Yay!
Ako
Yay!
naman yung ano. Oh, meron pa yung vote bomb.
Vietnam yun. Vietnam yun. Parang share. Wala na. I got in the share. No. You got na mo share again. Shares. Just wait.
Maalam na natin kung
Oh, it's in that server.
ay sequential. Sequential Marco.
No. Simultaneously.
Hindi ko lang yung mag-isa ng sabi.
Nalagay ko, it has video.
Naisip ko eh. Pero susunod ko na yung password.
What is it? The spy is still around. It has license nilalagay ko.
Ay, dinidescribe niya. I-describe niya. Tapos ano, ako yung last na mag-describe. It has lines. Wala na sa
Why break around? Bakit hybrid yung
Bye.
bait?
Check it out natin. Check it out natin. Hindi natin bet. Ba't parang ano, Indonesian sila?
Ano ba? Parang donation sa original natin.
Hindi, yung isa sa yung mga ano eh, sila nga eh.
Yes, lang.
Wala siya masabi. Ikaw.
Vote natin hindi nagsabi kasi pwede
Hindi si player
imposter.
3. Player 3? 1, 2, 3.
Vote. Hey, he wasn't silent. It's to the book.
Ang sobrang aning sinabi niya. Sobrang aning hint.
Okay, that's a shape. It has
Word.
ano, it has words. Ikaw magsusulat ng words. Kasi sinabi mo yung hot bread.
Bait yung
It's at the sky. Yan, tatlong lahat lang lalawin natin. But yes,
Oo, kung sabihin ko Korean kapag spy ako pa. Ay, welcome it na. Oo, sasabihin ko na magkukuyan ako kapag ako yung imposter para hindi nila mag-
narinig mo na yung news ko. Wala na ulit.
Oh my God.
Wala na sagot ulit. Papa. Ang tagal naman. Pero wala puti. Bakit ang da...
Okay, yun yung gamit, yun na yung boat natin. Sana. Kaya yung boat natin, si player early. Yung book early. Ba't puro ganyan? You can fit.
Alam mo natin si Lucas.
Use for... Kaya yung boat natin si player 5.
Okay, sinabi you can sit.
Ayun na. Ngunit hindi natin mag-get. Oh,
Yay! Oh, na-end the video na.
I hope I can win this.
Wait, meron pang 5?
Ay, gabit na yung word para manalo ka.
Brother.
You can use it for skill.
Brother.
It has pages. Brother.
Thank Margo. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't subscribe to my friend CJ Macbood and Nanya J. That's it.